Howdy folks, welcome back to HMCs Tech Lab. All right, let's fire this thing up. Well, shoot.
Alrighty folks, so I have this Nintendo Switch OLED on the desk here. I was playing with it about a month ago, and in the process of powering it on, it powered on, but I found out just by happenstance I could hear it clicking when I was not accidentally, but was touching the screen, and I could put it in the dock and it works fine in the dock, but no screen here. So from researching, one of two things it could be is it could be the screen, or it has kind of like on the Switch LCD and the Switch lights that have the backlight IC. This has, I guess it's kind of like a backlight IC, but it's not the same since the OLED does its own thing. But if that's not working, it can cause a screen issue. So while I was out of town working, I ordered a screen, which I have right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and go back in, and after I open it, I'm just going to go ahead and attach the screen to see if the screen is the issue and if that fixes it. If not, then I'll start looking at that PH3i or something like that, I think is what they call it, and start checking around that to see if I see anything. So that being said, I'll be back here in just a sec. All right, so here we go. For any of you seasoned vets out there, I'm still new to this, so don't beat me up too bad in the comments. All right, so I'm going to try to power this thing up. I don't remember what button's what. So this is the power button over here. Oh, we have a picture! Ha! There it is. Oh, big win, big win. All right, let me kill this bad boy. So we got a winner. I got to figure out how to take the damn screen off to replace it. I think I'm going to have to use my heat mat for it. All right, I'll be back. If you order a replacement screen kit from Amazon, they give you all these dang screwdrivers, everything you need, a butt ton of rubber bands, that's not all of them, the guitar picks, the suction cup to pick up the screen a little bit to get your guitar pick in, but they don't give you the damn screened adhesives. For $120 frickin', you'd think they'd give you the damned adhesive, because it probably cost them less than $1 to have that screen adhesive on there. And at least state you need to order the adhesive. So the most I'm going to do is remove the screen and have it prepped and ready for my adhesive is supposed to be here tomorrow. Woo, yeah. Oh, yeah, that messed the screen up. Woo. So 130 is a bit too hot. Either that or 10 minutes is too long. Yeah, let me let her cool down because she's definitely hot to the touch. Oh yeah, you can see the damage right there. Oh yeah. I bet you that adhesive's loosened up now. So just know, if you're going to remove a screen, 130 is too hot unless you do it for a short amount of time. Ooh, that's a little warm. Let me throw my gloves on. Because I'm going to take full advantage of this screen being warm. Hot. It's not warm, it is hot. See if this cheap suction cup can handle it. Huh, this screen does not want to lift. Well, ain't that some crap? Ooh, they put some strong adhesive on this. Let's see if I can get a corner to lift. Well, the good news is it's got safety glass on it. Ooh-wee, Jesus Christ. Make sure I didn't damage this stuff. Maybe a little, but it should be good to go. Let me see if I can get this adhesive off. Need to make sure I clean up these glass fragments. Yeah, it's really not doing much of nothing, and you know I probably should have disconnected the battery before I started this. Hindsight's 20/20. All right, I'm gonna clean this up off camera, and this is about as far as I can go until I can get more adhesive tomorrow, provided it shows up on time. All right, I'll be back tomorrow. All right, well, I goofed. I didn't record putting this screen on. I actually got it on yesterday and goofed up not recording it. So I was like, screw it, went ahead and just finished it. So this thing is 100% up and running, doing great, no issues whatsoever. The only damned issue I have is on the screen here. The adhesive that came in is trying not to hold right here. And I'm probably going to try to put a little warmth on it to warm it up and maybe get it to stick down pretty good, and then put some weight on the screen here to see if it'll help hold it. But outside of that, this one here is 100% up and running and should be good to go for whoever needs one. All right, folks, adios.